we're down in downtown Damascus. I'm with Diana from Terra Casa. And Diana, you guys are known for your pots and your fountains, but there's so much more gardening that you can do.
There's a lot of things you can add to your landscape that we love to see out in people's yards and even in their gardens. And one of the things we really love is the shroomies. And these are very popular. They're ceramic, they're high fired, so they can be out now 4 seasons a year. And they're all in different sizes and colors, and they just add a wonderful splash to your landscape.
And you have some other kind of fun things, after you're decorating up. It looks like you have some great spheres.
We do have spheres. Gazing globes used to be big, but a lot of people want that solid color now in their landscape, just as a simple statement color piece to add to something in their yard or their garden. And yeah, we have some with suns and moons and stars, and then the solids.
For putting these out, a lot of people are worried about some of the ceramics sometimes, about leaving them outside in the wintertime. Can these stay out year-round?
I say this type of thing, because it's decorative and it's much easier to move than, say, a large pot that's planted, is go ahead and leave them out 3 seasons. If we're getting a hard freeze, I would bring them into the garage just to be safe.
And then you also have some fun metal pieces.
We do. We have metal stakes, and we also have metal trellises, and all kinds of fun little whimsy things you can add to your garden. Butterflies and dragonflies, all kinds of things that people love to see out in their yard.
And then you have a whole nother section of the store here that has a lot more fun new, like wall hanging metal art.
Yes, the outdoor metal art. And I'm a big one on taking what you're doing inside your home and maybe transferring that outside, so that your living space outside is something that you're going to enjoy as well.
Take a walk over there and we'll go check that out.
Okay.
So Diana, you also have a lot of great metal art for like walls and fences.
We do. So people love suns, they love moons, they love stars. This is a company out of Haiti, and they take steel oil drums. These are the ends of the steel oil drums. These are hand cut and then hand hammered by artisans down there. And they're just beautiful pieces. And they do suns, they do florals, they do butterflies, they do some colored art. They're just absolutely stunning and make for a really unique piece on the outside of your home.
And that's, as we're standing here, there are some other fun kind of metal pieces here too.
So we have metal fountains. We have these can also be actually indoors, as long as you have a nice safe spot to put them indoors. These are fun because they take up a very small space around your home, and they're fun to hear the water trickle outside. And then we also have the colored recycled metal art, which is the Think Outside line, which has cars and trucks and little whimsical figures and lots of color.
And can those can be outside year-round?
Year-round, absolutely, yes.
So, so Terra Casa is just so much more than just the fountains and the pottery. They have all the garden art and the metals. So much you can do to put in your yard, to be out and enjoying it. So, Diana, it's definitely worth the trip out here to come see it. It's ever changing. It always seems like you have something new every time we're in here. So
Thanks,
make sure
Ryan.
you come out to Terra Casa. You can go to Terra Casa's website, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over. So, Diana, it's always a pleasure to be out here.
Thank you, Ryan.